Good afternoon and welcome to Richmond. We are thrilled to have you in our city. We are happy to help you celebrate your 76th Jalsa Salana, but we hope to help you celebrate many, many more in our city. We are thrilled to have you here today. I brought talking points, but I decided I wanted to speak from the heart because when I think of you all and your faith, it warms my heart. The interaction that we have had with Jalsa Cares has been truly amazing for our city, but it's just the talents and the gifts that you bring to us are outstanding. You come to our city and want to help make it better. You go to your own communities and are doing this great work. The story of your faith is the story of America, because what you all are trying to do is make your community better. You love your neighbor. You teach us all the wonderful thing of peace. Your motto of love all, hatred for none, is something that should embody all of our hearts and souls. To me, like others have said today, I cannot imagine a better way to celebrate the 250th anniversary of our country without a celebration of what you all are doing here, celebrating your faith, celebrating your belief in this country, celebrating your pride in what we are as United States citizens, but also the hope for tomorrow, how we can together change our community. You guys do that daily. I see that in the actions when you come to our community and all the things that you do to help support us. Together, we are stronger as one community, and you all show that and you represent that. I'm just honored that I could come here today. I'm honored to be able to speak on behalf of that, and I'm so proud that you have selected Richmond to be your city to do this. And I'm so thankful for all the wonderful work that you do for us and all the contributions we get to share. So this is a big moment to thank you all for being here. I hope you will return for many years to come because you are a wonderful faith community to have. And whenever I am with you all, it helps embolden my faith. I feel stronger. We're all connected as one brotherhood. No matter who we pray to, we share similar beliefs and similar faiths, and we all want to do better. And you guys are always a constant reminder when I have the ability to contact and work with you all on some of these amazing projects that we've done in our city. Thank you all.